In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a chart in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open a page, insert a chart block, and choose the chart that best fits the information you want to display. Let's start from inside Notion. First, open the page where you want your chart to live. This could be an existing page, like a project dashboard or a notes page, or a brand new page you've just created. Make sure you're in edit mode on that page so that you can add new content. You'll know you're ready when you see the text cursor blinking inside the page. Once your page is open and ready, click into the area where you want the chart to appear. This could be under a heading, next to some text, or at the bottom of the page. Think a moment about the layout so your chart doesn't feel out of place. For example, if you're summarizing data from a table above, you might want the chart directly under that table so it's easy to compare. Now, to bring up the chart options, start typing a slash followed by the word chart. So you'll type slash, then CHART, or one word. In Notion, the slash command is how you access different blocks and features without needing to click through menus, and typing chart helps filter the options down to anything related to charts. As you type, you'll see a small menu appear, showing you the available chart-related blocks. When you see the chart option appear in that list, move your mouse over it, or use your arrow keys to highlight it. Then, simply click on it or press enter to select it. Notion will insert the chart block right where your text cursor was, and you'll see a placeholder chart or an empty chart area ready to be configured. At this point, select the type of chart you want to use. Depending on your setup and any connected databases or integrations, you might see options such as bar charts, line charts, or other visual formats. Think about what kind of data you're working with. If you're comparing quantities, a bar chart might be best. If you're tracking something over time, a line chart often makes more sense. Once your chart is inserted, take a few moments to adjust it to your needs. Connect it to the appropriate data source if required, and double check that the information is clear and easy to read. When you're done, your chart will sit right inside your Notion page, giving you a quick visual overview whenever you open that page.